Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy A36 worldwide. The new mid-ranger gets upgrades in design, camera, and performance. The Galaxy A36 is available in awesome lavender, awesome black, awesome white, and awesome lime color options. The Galaxy A36 still packs some of the most hyped AI tools. Circle to search. The device features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with an FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It boasts 1200 nits peak brightness, an in-display fingerprint sensor for security, an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers. The handset is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB onboard storage, and run Android 15 based on One UI 7, promising 6 OS updates and 6 years of security patches. Samsung has now switched to a pill-shaped module that houses all 3 lenses, a 50MP OIS primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5MP macro unit. There is a 12MP shooter for selfies. The phone has a 5000 mAh cell with 45W fast charging support on board. The price for the 128GB version is $399. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.